Yo, so today we're finally checking out a famous waterfall here in Texas that not a lot of people get to see. So we're gonna be paddling about a mile to get to this waterfall, and from what I'm told, we have 30 to 80 feet to play with, somewhere in that area. So we're gonna dock our paddle boards and we're gonna get going. It's windy too. This one's gonna be brutal, but worth. The only waterfall within hundreds of miles of Austin, Texas, so this is 100% worth the journey for sure. Oh, the wind is just picking up so crazy. We're gonna go closer to the shore. The wind looks like it's not catching as bad, so the closer we stick to the land, the less the wind is gonna hit us. We're making good time, solid time. This log just sticking up. When we get to the spot that we're going to, substantial amount of depth checking. We check the water, trust, we're not idiots. Well, this is what you get from using cheap stuff. It's like right there. So we're close. Yo, this place is crazy. Again, this is the only known waterfall within hundreds of miles of Austin. And yeah, this place is crazy. And we're about to jump right there. Found our way up. Oh, my feet are frozen. Let's get it. Rocks. Ugh. All right. Man. Okay. Wow. This is gonna be a doozy. Don't want to fall there. Boom. Boom. Whoa. Okay. Okay, well. Alright, that's where I was originally standing. I made it here. That looks insane. That's incredible, man. There's the waterfall there. Beautiful. Okay, so I just climbed my way back down. I'm gonna switch batteries because this battery's about to die. Climb back up. They're gonna depth check and then we're gonna get a jump in. Run one more safety measure. He's got the measuring tape and I'm gonna hold it and we're gonna figure out exactly how tall it is. 58. All right, we got the boys running a depth check. 3, 2, 1, send it. Five. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, send it! Oh, he lost his shoe.
I know, dude. I lost a shoe, and apparently almost my shorts too. There's a lot of impact. It's just the water's cold and it's very still, so
Yeah.
it's like all the molecules are very tight.
Yeah. Besides the water being 30 degrees, that was sick. Oh, climbing down is always so much worse. We have now made it to the top of the waterfall. Look how blue this water is. Look at how clear. Hit a jump, and then we're out of here. 4, 3, 2, 1, send it. That's the exact shot that I wanted, just off into the waterfall. That water is definitely cold and the sun's starting to set. And we got a long paddle back. We're about halfway. I don't even have to really paddle right now. The wind is just kind of doing its thing. that is it for today's video. I'm gonna start pumping more videos out like this, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Peace.